Hello everyone and welcome back to Claudia's channel. Today we're gonna celebrate Cinco de Mayo by making some mouth-watering Keto Enchiladas. Though they have a slightly higher carb content than usual, 8.5 per serving, is totally worth it. After all, Cinco de Mayo only comes once a year, am I right? So let's get started. Here are the ingredients that we'll need. Passata tomato sauce, large onions, garlic, taco seasoning, olive oil, bell peppers, chicken, tortilla wraps, and some shredded cheese. Preheat that oven to 180 degrees Celsius and don't forget to oil your baking tray to prevent any stickiness. Next, we'll make the enchilada sauce. All you need to do is mix the garlic, tomato sauce, chopped onions, and taco seasoning until they're blended together and you have a soft, reddish texture, just like this one. For the chicken filling, we'll start by heating up some oil in a pan until it's really nice and hot. Then add the chopped onions and stir them until they're fully glazed. Then add the diced green bell peppers and stir some more. Finally, add the chicken breast with some taco seasoning and stir everything together until it's well cooked and blended. The key here is to make sure the chicken is evenly cooked and tender. Once your chicken filling is ready, it's now time to assemble the enchiladas. Take a tortilla wrap, put some sauce on it, followed by some of the chicken filling and shredded cheese. Then fold it up and put it on your baking tray. Repeat that process until you fill up your baking tray. I usually make about 5 or 6 enchiladas per tray, but it really depends on the size of tray you're using. Pour some more tomato sauce on top of your enchiladas and sprinkle some shredded cheese on top. The cheese will melt and give your enchiladas that perfect gooey texture we all love. Bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they're hot and bubbly. When the cheese on top is beautifully melted and golden brown, you'll know they're ready. And there you have it, folks, a delicious plate of homemade Keto Enchiladas to celebrate Cinco de Mayo. This recipe makes 10 servings, so feel free to share with your family and your friends. Enjoy!
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.